Okay, so now we're going to work on work breakdown structures. This is the first of our big deliverables tonight. So let's see what we come up with here. Here's how we think about work breakdown structure. Before we get to work breakdown structure, we think about the work breakdown structure like we think about the project. And so the question is, how do we structure our thinking about the project itself? And the first thing is, we look for specific authority and responsibility. Specific authority and responsibility. We want to break everything down into pieces that tell us who's responsible for each piece. Secondly, we want to know that all the pieces in the project are independent from each other. In other words, we don't want to point at one person and say, hey, I thought you were doing the plumbing, and they say, well, no, I was only doing this little bit of plumbing over here, and then I was handing something off, somebody else was doing that other plumbing, and pretty soon you're not sure, you can't tell who was supposed to get what done. Third thing, it needs to be integratable. All the piece parts that we come up with have to work together to produce the product that we want. And then finally, it needs to be measurable in terms of progress. Eventually, we're going to have, from this work breakdown structure, we're going to have a network diagram. And from the network diagram, we're going to have a whole accounting system called earned value analysis to track how we're doing in spending our money and using our resources. This isn't about the work breakdown structure as such, but this is how we view the project.